My name is Ashley Mullen, and I'm Assets and Community Coordinator at MergeKit.
In today's video, we will be discussing how to sync and manage your stores. First, let's ask, what does it mean to sync your stores? It means transitioning your brick and mortar business to include an online or omni-channel format, or offering an in-person interactive experience for your online customers. Why is this important? Well, this increases your brand awareness, but it also personalizes the shopping experience for your customer. It can boost traffic, drive sales, improves your product availability because you're offering products across many channels. And by multiplying these sales channels, you're better able to run a more consistent business and offer more product for your customers. Let's take a second to cover some quick execution tips. Firstly, you should use an online platform such as Shopify. Shopify can help you get your inventory organized and aligned with what you have in your brick and mortar store and what you're able to ship to your customers. Taking the time to define an inventory management system that works for you is going to be critical for you and your team in order to manage your business and ensure that you have the right product at the right time available for your customer. When you can successfully manage your inventory, you never miss a sale. Committing to a strong cross-channel follow-up plan ensures product integrity and makes sure that your customer is truly satisfied. Now, let's switch gears and take a moment to talk about some of the benefits from syncing your stores for both you and your customer. Firstly, you offer numerous options to interact with your business for the customer. When your customer can contact you by email, phone, in person, or on social media, they can trust you more and are more willing to spend their money. Once you've gained that customer's trust, offering a synced store experience cross-channelly can improve your customer retention and in turn improve your sales. You are also offering the ability to specifically cater to your audience. And by catering to your audience, you make them feel special, which in turn also increases customer satisfaction. And remember, when you do your research and utilize the right and relevant technology for your business, the sky is the limit. Let's do a quick video recap. In this video, we introduced the topic of syncing and managing your stores. We talked about why it's important to sync your stores and gave a few execution tips on how you can do it for your business. And we also took a quick peek into the benefits for both you and your customer. Thanks so much for joining me for this video on syncing and managing your stores, and we'll see you in the next one.